The domino effect, also known as the domino theory, is a concept that describes a chain reaction of events, where the occurrence of one event leads to a series of related events happening one after another in a sequential manner. It is similar to a line of dominoes falling in succession when the first one is toppled. The key idea behind the domino effect is that a single action or event can set off a chain of consequences that may be difficult to predict or control. It is often used to illustrate how a small or insignificant event can lead to larger and more significant outcomes, and how these outcomes, in turn, can trigger even more events, creating a cascading effect. The term domino effect has been used in various contexts, including historical and political contexts. In the mid-20th century, the domino theory was a geopolitical belief that if one country in a region were to fall under the influence of communism, neighboring countries would follow suit, like falling dominoes. This belief influenced U.S. foreign policy during the Cold War, particularly in Southeast Asia. Economic contexts. In economics, the domino effect refers to how an economic downturn or crisis in one country or sector can lead to similar consequences in other countries or sectors due to interconnected global markets and financial systems. Environmental contexts. In ecology, the domino effect can describe how changes in one species or ecosystem can impact other species and ecosystems in a chain reaction, leading to potential disruptions in the overall ecological balance. Personal contexts. On an individual level, the domino effect can apply to everyday life situations. For instance, making one positive change in your routine can lead to a series of positive habits, or one negative decision can lead to a series of unfortunate events. Overall, the domino effect is a powerful metaphor for understanding the complexity of cause and effect relationships, and how seemingly small actions can have significant and far-reaching consequences. It serves as a reminder to be mindful of our actions and decisions, as they can impact not only ourselves but also the world around us.